Us right now, as he always does on Thursdays, is Dr. Todd Ellerin. He's the Chief of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Great to see you, Dr. T. So let's start with the big news here in Massachusetts today. All adults are cleared to start getting their boosters. I know the answer to this question, but I think our viewers benefit from it. How important is it for healthy people to start getting those shots?
Governor Baker is going bold, and he's making the right decision. I think we're the 13th state to do this. Let's face it, when you have a forest fire coming and it's out of control, you need to do that aerial spraying, massive amounts of water or retardant on that to get control. Delta is coming for us this winter, so we have to do everything we can to be aggressive. This makes sense. The boosters make sense for all adults. It reduces infection, reduces death. It's what we need to do.
Dr. Fauci has said that the number of hospitalizations and people who have been vaccinated but have not received their booster shot yet, that is rising. So what does that tell you about where we are now in the pandemic and where we're headed?
So I think it's important to know, Maria, that the primary vaccination series is still working very well for preventing hospitalizations, but the elderly, patients who are immunocompromised, and those with multiple comorbidities, we are seeing some vaccine breakthroughs that are leading to hospitalizations. Just another reason why the booster makes sense right now. But remember, anytime I say booster, the most important thing is for those that are unvaccinated to get their primary vaccination series. That's even more important than the booster.
And Dr. T, as we've been going on throughout these whole sessions here through the pandemic, you have said that people should not be letting their guards down as we head into the winter season, that COVID is not fully behind us, obviously. So here we are, Thanksgiving's in a week. Millions of people are getting ready to travel next week. Flat out, Dr. T, should that worry us?
Remember, Ed, and a friend of mine just told me this quote by Maya Angelou. She said, when someone shows you who they are, believe them the first time. This is not our first COVID Thanksgiving rodeo. We've been here before. We know what happens. And remember something, there are people from last Thanksgiving who are around the table who acquired COVID and who passed from COVID. We don't want that to happen again. So remember the things that make sense. Vaccinate, ventilate, validate. Know who around your table is vaccinated or unvaccinated. Make people show them a negative test before you go. I'm being asked to show negative tests.
But that's uncomfortable, Dr. T, right? In a family setting, to ask for the vaccine card or whatever, that's uncomfortable.
In your family?
Well,
I understand. No, I mean, no, listen, Ed, you're right. But listen, it's a time to do things that are uncomfortable if it means protecting those that are vulnerable around us. We have to step it up.
Doctor, do you feel like we're rising, but do you feel that we're in a better position this upcoming Thanksgiving than we were a year ago?
So it's a tough question, Maria, to do that calculus, because yes, more of us are vaccinated, more of us are boosted. By the way, about 30 million Americans have already been boosted, just to let you know how safe that is. So that's definitely something that we have a lot of experience with now. But remember, yes, but Delta is also that much more contagious. We have waning immunity and, closing the windows, colder weather. So I don't think this is going to be the worst winter we've seen from COVID, but I'm still very concerned.
Dr. T, thank you so much. Great to see you.
Be well, doctor. Thank you.